So, okay, now I'm going to jump personas now. I'm going to jump in at kind of like a C level. So this could be for your CRO, it could be for the COO, it could be the CFO. And what I'm looking at here is all of the pricing metrics relevant to my business. Straight off the bat here, what I'm seeing is an overall summary. On the right-hand side, we can see that I can filter into different sections, but overall, I'm looking at my overall summary to see my current revenue, what my current costs are to date, my current margin to date, and then what that margin percentage looks like. Again, very high level. What we can then do is, as we start drilling down, coming down the screen further, we can look at how we distribute this across countries and across industries, but we can also change that. So at the moment, we're looking at my revenue across country. And we can see that my biggest revenue driver is the United States, and it's the technology industry that is driving that revenue. I can also start to look at, okay, how do my costs distribute? Where is my biggest costs coming from? And what's the biggest industry that's driving that trend? So simply clicking on my cost, here I can see, so it's the UK that are giving me the biggest costs, and the cost by industry is within the engineering industry. And as you saw me do that, you saw these pie charts that also changed as we drilled across from cost. So again, let's have a look at margin. Let's see how this is going to affect our dashboards. So margin, biggest margin by country is the United States. And again, it's back up to that technology industry. So not only does this help your pricing people, but also it can affect your marketing. So we really want to target the US in the technology industry because we can see that's where our biggest revenue is coming from. And the same again, we can do that by margin percentage. As you'll see, these reports are very fluid. So as I'm changing the data, we're seeing the dashboards update in real time. And I'm seeing all of the relevant data that I want to be able to see. And this gives me the ability to go and make decisions that can impact the business.